is joining us, a former governor. She's with the BJP as well. Thank you so much, ma'am, for joining us. What would you like to say now that the arrest has happened of the LOP regarding the statements that he made against a private citizen like Trisha, who's an actor not even connected to politics?
First of all, I have already condemned the derogatory words by Udayanidhi Stalin. And as you said, she was not at all concerned with that agitation, and she has been dragged, and they have been in a double meaning. They have expressed their dirty mindset. But I also thought why the arrest should be there, because law should take its own course, let them file a case. But after seeing Udayanidhi's press meet, he is so arrogant. I am asking, if somebody would have wounded by these words, he could have also just misinterpreted. Back my words in politics, magnanimity is all. Now he is thinking that he has done a very great dealing the press very arrogantly. That is also not a.
There seems to be a bit of a problem there, but then just to get you right, Ms. Soundararajan, you are saying that it's wrong what he had said, what Udayanidhi Stalin had said, but you are not backing the arrest of Udayanidhi Stalin. Is that true?
Yeah, because I think that they can file a case, and then the law should take its own course, that immediately such a drama, such arrest, whether it is needed, that is questionable, because I also thought, because they definitely, we cannot accept his word.
Okay, but Ms. Soundararajan, there have been people from your own party, from the BJP, for example, Naina Nagendran, who during the campaign dragged in Trisha as well. He made some unsavory comments. I don't want to repeat those words again, but he linked Trisha to the chief minister, made unsavory comments. At that time, many would say BJP's outrage was limited.
No, but our honorable state president took back his words when everyone told that it should not have been expressed in that way. He told, if somebody have wounded.
Well, it appears that we've lost that audio-video connection. But BJP's Tamilisai Soundararajan, who's a former governor, currently with the BJP, coming out and saying it's wrong as to what Udayanidhi Stalin had said. And I believe Ms. Soundararajan is back with us. You were telling us how, like BJP's Naina Nagendran, if there was an apology, then he should have been let go. Another interesting thing, facet, which we must point out, is tomorrow is the budget session, the first budget session by the TVK government. Do you see a larger reason as to why the LOP may have been arrested today?
Oh.
Ms. Soundararajan, can you hear me? Do you think there was a reason why Udayanidhi Stalin was arrested a day before the budget session tomorrow?
No, I don't want to link in that way. But Udayanidhi also should be responsible if he is really thinking that he should attend the assembly and he should talk for the people, particularly for the farmers. He can always say that I have to attend the assembly if my words have been taken in a wrong way. Interrupted in a wrong way, I can take back. It's all either way they can tell no. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much, Tamilisai Soundararajan, saying that